Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to start by finding clock and tapping on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner here and create your alarm over here by tapping on this plus icon. Then set up an hour and choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on it and tap on repeat. Then select days of the week manually and tap on the back button to save them. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to over here and disable or enable snooze by tapping on this sweater. After that, choose ringtone. Then select allow in the pop-up and tap on allow over here. Then you can pick one of those options like weather adaptive or one of those system ringtones, or click on custom and select music from your smartphone by tapping on the song and clicking the back button. You can also select vibration and tap on one of those vibration patterns. Disable vibration completely by selecting no vibration or synchronize it with ringtone. Then go back and save your alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and selecting one of those options and turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete it, you need to hold it, select delete over here at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!